What's up guys, welcome back to the next video in learning Bootstrap. My name is QD Yazdani and you guys watching my channel Kroy. Alright, so in the previous video we have done this our 5-star, 4-star and different star with the different colors. So in this video we're going to come here down and we're going to put some of our users which left a review, and we're going to come down when it says call MD12, and there's a break here, and you guys, as we have done this in the our previous videos. So we left this room. So if you guys want to see this, because we don't have any writing or anything, we're going to divide this call MD12 into 9 SM9 and MD9 and MD3. So the first one is going to be, we're going to put a div, and the first one will be class, and it's going to be call MD3, call LG. We don't have MD3, but you guys can do MD3. And the next one we got div class, and it's going to be call MD9. We're looking for 9, but that's fine. So as I said that you have 12 columns there, and we have the first one which is going to be the user photos and the informations, the joining date, whatever, and the second one is going to be the user left a review. It's going to be down here under our footer. Alright, so in this one we're going to come here and we put an image img, and we put an asset img, and we're looking for image. So what sort of image we're looking for? User maybe, or it's up to you guys. You guys want to put shop logo or lotus, maybe lotus, yeah. And the class we're gonna put an image rounded img, okay. We're gonna see, because we didn't put a height and width, so our image is gonna be huge, but we're gonna see. So we put a, and we put a height, we put a say 100, and width we put it 100 as well. Okay, let's see how it looks. And that image is going to be here, and if you guys want to put say 50-50, say I'm going to leave it 100-100. I want to see how it looks. Alright, and the next one is going to be the name of our user, and it's going to be div class, and it's going to be review and review name. So we want to say review name. So if up to you guys want to surround this with anchor tag, so it's an anchor tag, and there's nothing here, and you guys can put I'm gonna put a Q Yazdani. You guys can put your name. Alright, and the next one is gonna be what date. So the next one is gonna be class review date. Review is gonna be date. Okay, and what's the review date? What's the date today? So the date is 7th of the 10th. So we put a 7th, say October 2021. Okay, 7 October 2021, and we put a BR. Don't forget to do this / and say now, for example. See how it looks, and you guys will see how that's look. That's someone who gave a review. If you want to do this one round, I'm going to show you guys. So because we have done that in index. Okay, so if you guys go here, localhost, and after that we go salon. We already done our image rounded. I have shown you guys, so you guys come here. So we have done our image rounded here. You guys can copy this one from, bring it down from the bootstrap that we've done in the index. So what customer says about us, if you go hit index. Okay, so we're coming down here, what customer says about us underneath that one. Okay, so that one's card body image. So we have done a height 40 and border radius 90. So you guys can copy this style, copy this. So, and you guys can bring say this one and remove this one. The reason I put an image around it is because you guys can put it, go in CSS, and you guys can put a border radius. Okay, we are here, and you guys see this one. There is an image, and there is a link, because that's anchor tag. And you guys, if you guys press this one, you guys go on a different website, because at the moment we didn't put any reference, but you guys can put a reference. Alrighty, so we're coming down here, and at the call MD9 we put a rating. So we put a div, and you guys can put a class, and at the class we put a review rate, review rating. So we're gonna let the user choose how many star put. So it's up to the user how many star to put. So we put a button. Say we put a button, and our button is gonna be type button, and the type button, and it's gonna be btn warning class btn warning, and it's going to be btn xs extra small. Okay, and the area label going to be area label equal to, and we put a left align. So we put a left align. So we put a inside, it's going to be span, and the class going to be star. So it's going to be class fa star, and the area hidden is equal to true. Okay, so let's see, because we need 5 of these buttons, and it's all like this here. So because we're gonna put underneath star, so we're gonna put the user, we want to let the user know how many we want to put. So okay, so this button is gonna be, we're gonna leave 5 buttons for the user. 3. Okay, so 3, 4 and 5, 4 and 5. All right, so there's a 5 button here for the user, how many user wants to leave. And after this one, after this, we're gonna put a div class, and after this we put a review title class. We put a review title, because every review has got a title. And what's a title? say you guys can put a P, or you guys can put a strong. I'm going to show you guys strong, and you guys can put an awesome, shop, love it. So this user left us a review that this is awesome shop, so this put awesome shop, love it. And we're gonna come here. Okay, so we forgot one thing. We did not because we want this one to come align, and we need the row. So call MD12, and we want this MD12 and MD9 to be inside the row. Okay, so div class row class, you want to put a row. Okay, so if you come down here, and before this one, you guys close this one here with div. So now our row is gonna wrap all this whatever is here. So this is a little bit confusing if you guys. So there is a div class called MD3 and called MD9. As I said, there is a 12. It's gonna should sit side by side, and this one's all of them is inside called MD12. Okay, so because we want to see it side by side, because as you guys look at here, this one's sitting on top, this one's coming down because there is no row. But once you guys can put a row, this one is called MD3 and this called MD12. So we're gonna, and you guys see this one's come because now it's sitting in the row. That's what we want. Alright, so and then this one's gonna be div, and it's gonna be a description class review description. Alright, so you guys can put any text you like. This is nice store, and the rest you guys can put a lorem ipsum. If you guys can hear, we have no shortage of lorem ipsum. As you guys, I said before, that this lorem ipsum is for text filler. You guys can copy your lorem ipsum to, so like that, and you guys can put it like that. Okay, so we're gonna see that's how it's gonna look, and this is one review that the user left, and you guys can go ahead and create a different user again. So you guys can, this one's copy row. Okay, don't copy this one because that's entire div, so I'm going to bring this one down so you guys don't copy that one. But where it says row, you guys can copy the entire row. Okay, so you guys come all the way here. We don't want to mess up again, and you guys check whether it's sitting on the row. Yes, it's on the row. That's our second, it's going to be our second comment. Okay, this is going to be from different user. Say our user is going to be Ishrad, and this user left a comment yesterday. Okay, okay, so 7 October and say 5 October. Okay, and this user's got a different, so where is the image? And this one you guys can put a girl, the image there. Okay, you guys can put any image, Milky Way or, okay, so that's our second users here, and the second user is also happy with the shop. The second user left a comment here of 5 star. So you guys, what I'm gonna do, you guys needs to leave, because here, because we want to put a line here, so our line is gonna be here. We put a HR for the line, and you guys can put a, say, style, border, solid, so you bordered 1px solid, and you guys can put a E1, 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 E1 in E1. So that's our border is gonna be, and you guys see there is a border here, but you guys can say maybe so if you guys want a black, it's gonna be hash 000000. That's black. See how it looks? Okay, that's the black, and that's how the second user is. That's how the left. Okay, so now we gonna copy this entire for the third user. So but copy. Okay, now we're going to trace this div. Where is this div? Okay, that one's sitting on the row, and that one should sit here on the row, because we are bringing every row by row. Okay, so that's the third user. Okay, the third user is gonna be Zainab. Okay, so this user left a comment, say last month, for example, say 3rd of July, because we are going from now, because if you guys notice, the PHP and the websites go from the now, then go to the old, from the new, from the fresh, then goes to the old comments. So if you guys looking inside the YouTube or any other website, it goes now the user which left a comment now, and then yesterday, and then before yesterday, day before yesterday, then the last week, last month, last year, 5 years ago. So, and the 3rd of July is gonna be, say, October. July is 2 months ago. Okay, so that's 2 months ago. This user maybe not satisfied with our service, so she left a 4 star. OK shop, say, for example, OK service, and she left a very few comments because she's not happy. Okay, so we see our okay, so she left a 4 OK service, and we're going to change the photo as well. So you guys can put any photos you guys like, as long as it suits you. We put a, say, shop logo Milky Way, for example, because users have avatars and they can put anything they like. They don't need to necessarily put their pictures. So say Milky Way, and you guys see that that's how it's gonna look. But I'm thinking I'm still in the card, so I'll go here, and because my still sitting here, and I'm touching on top, so you guys can put a style here. So this one's row MD12, and you guys can put a style, say margin top, we leave say 20 pixels. Okay, so now there is 12 like that. So we look at how it looks responsive, it looks beautiful. You guys look at here that the user, that's the rating breakdown, and that's how many users left a comment. So you guys, we're gonna go ahead and put the fourth one as well, because we're looking for at least 4 users, because that's a 5-star, 5-star, that's a 3-star, and our last user is gonna be not very satisfied. So we're gonna go and copy this entire code here, block, and we're going to bring it down, including the line. Okay, so the last star, this guy is gonna be, say for example, I can't think of a name. For example, this user is going to be say not happy guy, not happy. So our last user is gonna be not happy, and not happy guy left say 1st of January. Okay, so it's like 10 months ago, and this not happy guy only gave us 2 star. Okay, not okay service, we put a not okay, and we put a I am not satisfied. And remember one thing in the world, you can't just please everyone. So everywhere you go, you'll find not happy people. So this not happy guy says 10 months ago and 2 months ago, yesterday, we have a lot of happy guys, but we don't have we can't just please everyone. So that's life. So this happy user didn't even leave a blank profile PNG, so we put a blank profile.png. Okay, and you guys look at here, this not happy guy didn't even leave an avatar. So and this not happy guy left this I'm not satisfied, and that's it. Look at this guys, and that's how the users left. So when the user's happy, they leave a lot of comment, and when the user's okay, they leave a little bit, and when the user's angry, they just leave like this, and they give us like 1 star or 2 star. You guys can change this color inside here, text muted, text warning, whatever you guys like. You guys change the color of the button as well, up to you. Okay, so alright, so and we coming down here, please leave the review. I'm going to leave it up to you guys, so you guys go and put an anchor tag and create another page for review, because we're gonna put some form there, and so because we finished this page, we're gonna come here, rating breakdown, and if you guys look at here, leave a review, there is a button here. Okay, so what you guys do, this button is this one, please leave a review. Okay, so we're gonna surround this button by anchor tag. So it's gonna be a href. So, and we're gonna copy this button, we're gonna leave it here. Okay, and then we're gonna create a page. We're gonna put a user review review.html, and in this user review.html, we're gonna Control C to copy, And if you guys come here at the root, because this is called the root, this salons only one folder is called the root. You guys create a file and control C for control X for S for save, and you guys paste that one, and you guys come here, you guys put user review. Now we have created one page, and you guys look at here. But now when we come here, when we asking user to please provide a review, and when the user click this one, the user goes to the next page, user review, because user wants to leave a review. And here the review breakdown, and here that's how many user left a review. So you guys look at here, and if you guys come here, look inside your mobile, that's how it's gonna look. And on the next video, then we're gonna go say when the user click here, and the user is gonna actually leave a review here. So we're gonna see how we're gonna do this, and I'm gonna introduce you guys the idea of the form. So what form is inside the Bootstrap. Alright, so we go back, we look again. Oh, everything is fine, that's done. So congratulations, you guys can pat yourself on the shoulder because you've done a good job. So you guys, we have created 3 pages. If you guys look, come here, we have created this index. We have then created this single product, and now we create right review, and look at here, that's our accordion. And now write review, and that's our review page. That's how we done it, and now we're heading towards leave a review. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. If you like the video, just thumbs up, and please help us to subscribe our channel, spread the word, and happy coding. I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.